Yeah. Waiting for it to show up on my side. Should be good. There she is. Music for Chrome goes to me. Music goes to you guys. Okay, gotcha. Okay. Okay. Let's see something. And it went off to my server. $151 and $151. Wait a second. That went off twice. Okay. I didn't realize YouTube automatically used your image. Okay. Don't do it. It was helping to find a man behind. Okay, create. Super annoying. Let's go ahead and just get my files in. Super annoying. There we go. What the hell? New default text. Live. It's like a nice red. Bold, curve, warp, background outline. Punch out, no. There we go. Do this. Didn't I just create one? Guess not. Devlog. Devlog. Do like a black. Bold outline. Sure. How much is the PNG? 2.1? Fuck. 1.1, okay. Devlog image. 2 terabytes and the checkmark download. Tie me to life. Voices in my head again. Alright, should be good. I'm gonna restart the stream though. Okay. Should be good. Should be alright. I can do it. Okay, how do we do this? We're seeing if the item is greater than 1 and greater than 1. I don't know. I don't know. This is a lot of logic, so we're not deleting any of this. But I do need to make it cleaner. This can also be removed now. Voices on me under. Man, my internet's tanking right now. Nine. Okay. And this is doing, oh, this is this logic too. Okay. So basically this is asking if these items are larger than these things. So is a medical herb larger than 1? True. Then remove it. And the health, or well. I feel like I should do the adding before the removing. Probably should do that. So it says true. Come through here, says true. I don't want to break it. This shit's working good. Put that there. This is all if everything's true. So if both of those end up as true, then it will go through and do the rest of it. But I feel this needs to be done before we remove the item. So we might not even need to do the check on seeing if it's fully removed. So that's for multiple items. Crafted, do we have multiple items? And then this one should still do its thing anyways. That means that works. This should be alright. So are they both greater than? So what we could do... Can we do this? We can. So are they both greater than 1? I'm trying to think here. If they're both greater than 1. So what we could do is amount equal. Amount equal. We just want to see if they're equal to 0. Or actually equal to 0 or less than 1, one of the two. So we're doing this. Should we do this before the check or before the thing runs? Put that in there, switch this to being false. So are they equal to 0? If it's true, it ain't gonna do nothing. Actually, this should be an OR boolean. Is A or B equal to 0? If any of them are equal to 0, then it's going to do false. Or true, I mean. So we're going to test this by doing 3 of these and 2 of those. So 1, 2. And then it doesn't let us craft anymore because we only got 2 herbs. And we got those 2, which means it's working fine. Pick up another one of those. Craft. Should have 3, but it's not taking away the medical herb. And we only got 2 medical herb. 2, craft it, and back. Okay, so that's the issue. I think is the medical herb, which is these ones right here. Is the medical herb greater than 1? True, go up here. Is this one greater than 1? True. If it's not, and you only have 1, it should work. Oh no, this is going to get difficult real quick. I need to change these. Because if you do an uneven amount, so you have 2 of one and like 3 of the other. fucking gross.
Yeah.
I was thinking about it there for a second. Hang on. Well, chain at my daughter's butt, but still. I need to do logic to make sure they're both greater than at least 1. So, instead of doing that, duplicate amount and amount to make sure they're at least both greater than 1 before the logic even happens. If that's true, then it checks the separate code, maybe? Oh, I hope this works. Just get like 2, and then we'll do that. Just to see. So we got 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3. Medical herb whiskey. What the hell? They're both greater than. Wait. I know why. Are they greater than that? There we go. Oops. Do 4 and then 3. 1, 2. Got 2 medical first aid kits. Do a third. So we got 3 and we got 2 herbs. So if we grab 1 more of these, it should bring. That's gonna fail. So I'm asking if both items are greater than 1. That's only 1, so it's not greater than. It should do greater than or equal to. Greater or equal. Got 4. Got 3. Okay. Crafting. That makes 2. Something didn't go right. What the fuck? 2, 3. 2, 3, and 4. We got 4 and 3. Craft. 4 and 3. So it's not. What the fuck? It's doing the logic, but it's not doing the taking away of. Oh, okay. So it's just not updating for some reason. I didn't change the updating. I did change this around though, so can they find it? If not, then add it. If so, then increment it. Remove single items. Also just gonna do this very end of the code because it was updating it sort of. This is interesting. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. What the fuck? Remove medical herb twice. Maybe I just miscounted when I did it. Whatever. Medical herb 1, aged whiskey 2. Herb 1, aged whiskey 2. Okay, what the fuck? here says that. Find item. If we can find the item, true, then increase amount, and then custom inventory update. But if it can't find the item, then it adds the item. And this shit just keeps getting harder and harder every fucking time. The more math I have to add. Is it greater than or equal to 1? If it's true. If it's false, it automatically just fucking does its thing. But true. Then I should go over here and ask, is this one greater than 1? And is this one greater than 1? If it goes true, true, false, false. But it should never pass this point if I have 0 of the other thing. So, where's the bug? I'm going to put this logic back to the way it was before. Because I'm doing these at the very end. And I had it differently at first. I had it like this. And I think it just might be confusing the logic. I don't know why. But, man. It should only go to this far if we can do all that. Fine, true, not true, Custom, increment, amount, and add amount. Okay. Let's see here. Come on, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. Okay, so we got 3 and 4, top and bottom. Craft. 2 and 3, nice. Craft. 1 and 2, nice. Craft. 1 and 2 still, okay. I think I know what it is. So 1 is firing off false as greater than 1, and the other one's firing off as true, so it's not completing. Which is right here where we do the logic. It's greater than. So I want to do like another thing real quick. So branch and like another branch, I don't know. So is this also greater than this? Is this greater than 1? So on true or false, blah, 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 it does all this and this. Okay, that's going to get a little bit more difficult. Oh, Lord. Are these both greater than 1? We could do it as a and boolean and jump directly into it, maybe. We'll see about doing it this way real quick. So, are they both greater than 1? Okay, so are they both greater than 1, true or false? Because if the true, saying, all right, do this. If it goes down to false, saying, no, one of them isn't greater than 1, it should do this. Don't want to do the fully removed thing yet. That wouldn't work. Are they both greater than 1? True or false? If it's false, then it's trying to remove the item entirely out of the inventory, which is not what we want. Yeah, so there's something wrong here. Oh man, I'm not used to doing more complex Boolean logic, and I know there's probably a different way I could do it with like structures or something. So if we do that, we got 3 and 4. Craft 2. Crafted it with 3. So we have 1 aged whiskey and 3 of those. So if we pick up another one, there we go. Crafting. Craft. Back. It just worked. Okay, so we go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep, we got 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, that works. Okay. Do 10. We got another medical herb here. Hit this one more time. Craft. Holy crap. There's no way. If it's gonna work, I'm cool with it. That's fine. I'm down with that. So that's the inventory session done. The food eating part done. Let me just double check that too. Also grab some of these. We'll do some tests with these. These are going to be if player has multiple of the item. Over time we'll be down at 20. So if we take a turkey leg and eat it, it's 5. And then we're at 35. Nice. Eat it again. We're at 50. 65. 80, which is what we want. Now we're at 95, so we should still heal even though we have one of these items. It should work and remove it, and we're at 100. Nice. Medical first aid kit. Use. Use. And use. Nice. And then of course cycling through our things and then going back and all and back. Everything works fine. Just like it's fucking supposed to. Oh my god, dude. Now, of course, we still have the saving system issue, but that's a whole nother bag I don't want to open. Save systems are difficult. Okay. So what I'll do, just real quick, let's just do this. I want to grab all the print strings and everything. Because it's starting to get a little now. There's too many and it's starting to get to the point where it's hard to notice what I'm trying to read. So we'll do this now and this. So that should be alright now. And there's none there. The BB inventory. None in there. AC inventory. We got some more print strings. Nice. Okay, so true just goes directly into here. Oh, okay. So true goes to set. There we go. Got this one. True into here is basically the remove and add single item prints. So it goes straight up, dips through, bam. There we go. So if we hit enter, there's none. The item slots I don't think have any print strings in it, but we'll check. Yep, didn't think so. BP character. We usually have a lot, but I'm pretty sure I just removed them. Is there anything else I want to check for widget? I know there's a couple somewhere. We got inventory systems, components and enums, items, structures, and widgets. So if we look and click play, there's going to be one. I know there is. Yeah, it's the not valid. So somewhere I'm doing a get validated check or something like that. So we'll check all the widgets, inventory pop-ups, and then widgets maybe. Inventory we've checked. We've checked the item slot, crafting widgets. These are test widget things. Inventory pop-ups, background images. We should be good on those. Structures. We're not using anything there. Items. These are just the item things. Nothing actually. Food master item. Open up full blueprint. Yeah, there's nothing here. These are all the children items. So the inventory slot seems fine. Interfaces, anim sequences, maps, new imports, props, which used to be the guns, and then quest. There's a lot here. Main. Actually, we got an AC inventory component here, or a blueprint component here. I think this is just a thing we're using to pass information through. There's nothing actually there. Main. NPC. Event graph. Print strings. There's a couple here if we talk to them, so we need to worry about that. And then false. Delete, delete. Enter. None found. Compile. Quest. This is the objective slots. Don't know if there's anything in here. It's just a placeholder that we pass logic through. Got BPC quest, which is a blueprint class. We do have a print string. That's what it is. Not valid right there. I literally knew there was one. Okay. Compile. Is there any more print strings in here? No. I think we found all the print strings, but we'll still go through. Dialogue test and quest info. That's just a structure, so that's all right. Back to project. That was quest. Random item test. Okay, we're good there. The chest. Main BP. Chest parent. No results found there. That's great. Loot chest. These are all children of this, so there wouldn't be nothing there. Base models and textures. Fishing rod test. Yeah, we didn't never end up using that for anything. AOD actor. Event graph. Oh, look. Tick damage. Being called. We're not even using this, I don't think, but we're just going to remove it just in case. I'm trying to add grenades and stuff into my fucking game, but I couldn't get it. Should be good there. Save game, of course. I'm pretty sure this has plenty of that somewhere. Oh wait, no, this is just what we're using to pass logic through. Sounds and structures. Structures, UI, world test, nature. I think we're good. I know we had some originally in the zombies. But I am. Location around. Yes, I have everything working now. For the most part of what I'm wanting and what I've been working on has been nothing but a glitch.
Oh.
This is a test map to make things run faster.
I was gonna say, why does it look better? But never mind.
Because there's nothing in the sky blocking all the light. But I'm on a test map, so everything runs faster and smoother.
That's why it's running smoother. I thought it was your game. I was gonna say, damn, Dylan, you really made that.
But this is the inventory system. Of course, you have your inventory, and beforehand you would craft. Huh?
You get whiskey?
Yeah, you can't drink it. It's used for crafting like medical things. Originally, you could get the medical herb and then the whiskey, the aged whiskey, and use it to craft these, and it would drop on the ground, and then you could get out of your inventory, pick it up, and then you'd have it. But now you see we got 3 and 3. If we go to crafting and click craft and come back, we got 2 and 2. We get the medical thing in your inventory.
Oh, so the medical.
It automatically goes.
Med kits?
Yeah, and it automatically goes in your inventory now instead of dropping on the ground. It's just food.
Oh, I figured.
And then another thing I was having a big issue with up until now is if you had an odd amount of items compared to the other system, only has 2, this one has 3, it would try to work, but then it would glitch out. But now if I go ahead and click craft, you can see it goes down to 1 and 2. We have 2 med kits. Craft it again, it mutes the button out. We have none of the other one. We only have 1 aged whiskey. So then we pick up another one of these the things. We got 1 and 1. Craft it again. Now we got none of those. Now we got 4 of these.
That's cool.
And then, yeah, this is my game. But that's what I'm doing with it right now. I'm going to be adding more items to it too. Like, I don't know, more cooked foods or something like that. Right now you can only craft 1 item. I don't even have 1 item to craft right now. But, wait, did it say I got 3 turkey legs? The fuck? Did I pick up 3? I think I did, yeah. You can see the 3 slots here are missing. But yes, if you come up here and walk into this is my damage box. But I have 60 health. If you use it and go back, you can see I have 75. I click on it again and click use. And click use again. It's all gone because I've eaten it all, and I'm at 100 health. So that's all I've been working on, is trying to get the fucking inventory to work. Now I gotta work on the saving system and loading system. But I might wait till Sunday and then see if Gorker can get on and see if he can get into a call with me and help me, because he has videos on how to do a save system. And I have a save system that works, but it only saves the location of the player, the health of the player, and the level of the player, because they're all just numbers. That's not hard to do. But to save entire variables with a bunch of shit built into them, way fucking harder than that. And I kind of had it working for a little bit. I just deleted it all because it was glitched out as a motherfucker. This is the recoil on the gun now. It's really shitty. It's a workaround for something, but when I shoot, you can see it kind of moves. That's not me moving it. It's just it moving itself. But to actually have recoil with a gun itself actually moves when you shoot would be really fucking hard at this point, because I have so much stuff that relies on the animation that I have already, that to change that around, it would fuck up a bunch of stuff and I would have to change it. So right now all I have is the yaw and the pitch of the character, which is like the forward look and this left and right look, and I'm just changing those values a little bit every time it fires and everything. So it's a silly ass stupid workaround, but to make a proper actual one would royally fucking suck if I had to do that. So yeah, everything works. You got your pistol, looks janky as fuck, but I'm not an animator, so that's what they're fucking getting. You got this, which is your shotgun. Of course, you can see the hand's not even really correctly on there. You can't aim right now with the sniper because I removed all that function because it was broken as fuck. You can still shoot. You can see the bullet drop in it from a distance. If I shoot up here, it just goes and goes and goes, and it dips down slowly but surely. It's fucking cool. Like, that was a bitch, because to make a bullet drop is math. Like, legit, like algebra and like vectors and gravity and like a bunch of fucking math you gotta depict where it came from, where it's technically going, how fast it's going, how much gravity to put on certain things, what direction of a forward vector to add, a bunch of shit. So, yeah. But this was a pain in the fucking ass to add bullet drop, and it's the only gun that has bullet drop. But other guns do have, I think the AR and the pistol have a range. So like if I was to shoot a zombie from here and they're all the way over there at the barn, I wouldn't be able to hit them. But if they're up to like maybe as far as that guy is right there, I could. They all have their own specific range based off the weapon. So if you're using a pistol or an AR, you can be at a distance, but you can't be really far away. Like in Fortnite, motherfuckers are all the way across the map and they're like dinking it from across the map with a fucking pistol. Makes no fucking sense. There's actual speed and velocity and weight to a bullet.
Yeah, do pistol bullets not go that far?
No. Fuck no. I mean, my pistol that I have right now, like, yeah, that may go far, but it can't go 30 fucking miles. That's not how that shit works. The only thing pushing that bullet forward is when the gunpowder blows up and it just puts a bunch of force behind it. So in real life, the bullets don't go forever. They go for a little bit and they lose all that momentum after a while and it drops. So the fact in Fortnite that they have bullets that can shoot from a pistol from one side of the map to the other because you're just aiming at them, that's not how my game works. I actually have actual mathematical equations built into this motherfucker to actually stop the weapon from firing past a certain distance based on what weapon you're using.
It's gonna hurt my brain.
It is. It hurts my brain. It took me like 3 fucking weeks to do that alone. Because of how much math there is between people teaching it on YouTube and then me customizing it to my likings for my fucking weapons, yeah. And then the bullet drop was a whole nother fucking story. But
That's insane.
yeah, bullet drop is fucking insane. It sucks because of the amount of math that is in it. Like, because it's the only weapon that has it because of how hard it is. So the rest of the weapons just fire directly in front of you. They don't have a bullet drop. But the sniper
I
does.
was gonna say, so the snipers.
I could probably use it for other ones. I just don't. I'm not breaking it. I'm not doing that at all. But inventory is technically done. Crafting is technically done. Most of the main logic that I'm kind of going for in my game is technically done. Now all I gotta do is actually just I need to spend like 2 hours on the big map and actually go through and put the chest in every house, put the zombie spawners in every town, and like customize and tweak the numbers. And then the game might be a little bit more fun because I did realize after me playing it on your computer and then you guys playing it, there was a lot of loot, but y'all weren't seeing it much because it's so spread out.
Really
So I'm adding more, like whatever's in each town, I'm doubling or tripling it already. I've already done most of it, but like I'm adding a lot more to the game because that was kind of annoying. And a lot of them that I'm adding are going to be like low level chests. You're not going to find crazy shit, but there's a few here and there that are going to be like extremely high level shit. So, it's pretty good. Normally the pre-made fucking breakfast bowls suck. Is one Jimmy Dean's or no? Mm-hmm. Even there sometimes stuff like their potatoes are flavorless. Everything else in it is good, but they're relying on this to make the potatoes taste good. But they have big chunks of potatoes in here, so you bite into it and it's just like, okay. But for what it is, not bad. Thanks for the random ass snack. Yeah, I was in a weird mood a little bit ago. I wasn't really hungry or nothing. Cheese in this food, but I just don't know what it is. You know, I was telling, I think I told you already, but I was telling Chris, when I was talking to him about my game file bugging out and kind of corrupting for a minute. I kind of told him that I actually wasn't too sad about my game files being corrupted. Like, I don't want to lose my progress, but if I did, it would give me a chance to restart and like do things better that I want to do, like the animations and I don't know, just certain things now that I understand how a lot more works. But now that it's working, I can't really force myself to do that. Like, only way I'm going to do that, to restart and redo everything from scratch, is if the game file's corrupted and, you know, it bugs out. That's the only way I'll do it. But I just can't force myself. Now that I see it here, I have a chance to fix a bunch of stuff. But I know things like animations and stuff, those are things that really can't be fixed. They can be, but it's a bitch. And I would like to be able to, hold up. What weapons am I using? Third person, weapon silver, and weapon dark. I might be able to actually change the recoil animations on these motherfuckers. Weapons, assault rifle, weapon master. Firing animations. Love you. Love you, love you. Love you. Input action, fire. Or shoot. So this is the input action for shooting. And then when it double checks what kind of gun it is, it plays that specific firing animation. Which is right here. It's get it owner spawn transform. That's the get socket. So this is get current weapon. And then it's getting the firing animation. And it is defaulting it to a specific one play animation based off of the current weapon. There's a new animation to play. So weapon Dave, sniper wood, da 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 da. So assault rifle. Rendering. I know it was here somewhere. Okay, so that's to spawn, but I need the actual weapon. Master rifle. So, skeletal mesh. Damages, firing animation right here. Which is this firing animation. Pause it. You can see the animation in the hand and the gun is just that. As for these ones, I wish there was is there a way I can... Oh man, skeletal. This is for the whole damn thing. But this is on this. This is the fire rifle. I need to edit this animation. So fire cue and then assault. That's the cue to say, hey, the weapon has fired. Mesh animation, assault rifle. Huh. Okay, so there's a skeleton. So that's the loop. This is the skeleton. Is there a way I can like select it and rotate it? Would that be in this? Barrel asset animation notifiers, curves, previews, details. So I want it to just be a visual recoil because it's just more pleasing to the eye. I don't want it to be a physical recoil. I don't know how to explain it. I mean, I guess I can always add a little bit of upward force since I already have that in the logic for the firing logic in the player to add some motion. It already does it. But how do I edit the already existing animation to do that? Wouldn't it be in the firing animation of the player? We have a separate animation to what it's like when it fires. So that's in the weapons. I guess let's go to project and then animations. I don't want all of them on. What the fuck? What? No. I don't want the whole damn thing on. I just want the IK rig, I guess. No blend spaces. What the fuck? So there's these. What animation am I using? Oh my god, it's been so long since I've even used this. I know there's a player blend space that I'm using up here. That's asset elements. Find that one then, I guess. Open it up. I want to close most of this. I know animation can get laggy. Okay, so this is our animation, which is parented to Manny. So mannequins, whatever. Animation, Manny, yeah. Okay. Default poses ignored. I don't care. So this right here is character is shotgun aiming, is pistol aiming, and is rifle aiming. So we're setting this to true or false based off of whatever we're doing in the player. It's setting our variables in the animation sequences or the animation thing here. Ground speed, set falling movement, set velocity and ground speed, We don't need none of that. Aiming state, assault rifle, aiming, locomotion. So we just go here, go all the way back to anim graph. Sniper, poses, these are poses. I don't know if these are shooting though. No, it's not. Okay, so this is only playing that animation that we just seen a minute ago, which is him just holding it. All we see is the animation on the gun. So I would need to make a whole new animation for shooting while holding the gun. Yeah, so I need assault rifle. That's idle and aiming. Okay, well, that's not going to do me no good. I have to do it here, unless I want to completely redo a bunch of logic. So you can see that I can adjust it here, which is fine, but it is not fine because I don't need it to do that. This is just the skeleton. I need to create a new animation sequence. Curves notifies. Parent assets, advanced, rate scales, preview, pose assets, animation, grip bones, ammo, root bone, animation track, names, I'm assuming? Yeah, names. So how do I adjust it? YouTube, here we come. How to adjust animation. YouTube. How to adjust already existing UE5 animations. A lot of walking and crouching animations. I don't want that. These people are going to be teaching how to do things from base. Oh, shit. It's literally right here. What the fuck is wrong with me? I didn't even see that. So up here, let's say right when it fires. Can I zoom in here? I can. How close in can we get? Okay, so let's just say that let's do one more after, because the recoil shouldn't happen until after. So we're like right after it. So let's say at the beginning. Oh shit, hold up. Yeah, at the beginning, I know we can do a key for the root. And then let's say over here, I want to go ahead and do that. Add a key. Come back down. Maybe grab this. Wait, you can't see them? Translation's fine. Rotation is what I want. Roll, it would be the pitch. Details. Event. So here we're just directly facing at the trigger bone. You see here it jumps up. And then there. We have a key. Let's say we don't want it to happen until here. Key. Oh, Unreal Engine, don't lag on me, please. The snapping isn't quite right, though. Still probably better than what it was. So we hit Control S. Does it just change? Kinda. Okay. Additive track layers. Just delete that. We're back to base. So let's say I want to do the snapping on 5. I can't do less. Can by 2.8. Okay, so 0. Get the bone root key. Now that I'm more familiar here. Like these two to start relatively similar. Right around there, so I would like to rotate a little bit and then get the translation. Oh wait, hold up. I forgot to make a key. So what we'll do, we can use shift, okay. We'll make a key here for default root. for here, go ahead and rotate by just a little bit. And bring it back. And bring it up a little bit. Rotate. Snapping's back on. Oh. So go ahead and jump like another couple frames ahead. Add another key. Okay, yeah, no. It's gonna take some getting used to. All the way back, key it. Let's say up here close to the firing animation. I'll make a key. Why did that look like it rotated for a second? Say like right here, maybe. Make another key. Like right in here. Make another key right in here. Right around the area that it fires at. Bring it up. And back a bit. And up a bit. Make a key. Looks very glitchy. Let's see. So from the beginning. So it's starting off like that. I made a key up here. What the hell you mean? This should be flat and this should be up. Yeah, what the fuck? Scale. So scale don't need to be there. Rotation and translation is all I really need. Yeah, what the hell? Yeah, look at that. Editor's curve. We jump to here. It's like playing backwards. It's starting there. Okay, so there's that for that one though. So we close that one. We'll go to rotation. And then this one will be for the green. Okay, so this one should be a base for 0. Yeah, that should be completely zeroed out. Oh, come on, stop doing that. Yeah, what the hell is that? So here, that looks so much nicer. Control S and play maybe. Then on top of that, we'll edit and adjust the actual animation or whatever. That looks so much better. Hold up. This is so cool. So when I actually shoot now, you can look at the gun. It'll kind of like bounce up and back. The actual animation of it moves.
Yes.
And like I can even show you the animation thing right here. This is the fucking cues of it. Like the rotation and the scales and stuff like that. And it's so fucking cool. If you look at this. Like these are the animations, so it slightly goes up to the rotation of it. It jumps up and then back down. So the actual animation of the gun itself is fucking moving.
That is sick.
So much fucking better.
Yeah,
Can you just leave shit alone? Like, damn. So that's with that one, and then this one is with this one. So we should be able to smooth it out a bit. I can smooth it. What?
There's so many people that want the car.
There is, yeah, but now we already got somebody that wants it, so. Look at the smoother. I smoothed it out a little bit, and look at that shit. So when it fires, it goes up, bam, and then it recoils back, and then it backs to forward. So if I click that, click play, and I run over here. Oh, pick it up. Yep, pick it up. There we go. It's so cool. Yeah, I know. I already seen it. Hang on, just look at that. That's so much fucking nicer than what it really was. And like the thing is, when you aim, the crosshair disappears. But here's something you need to know. Even though the crosshair disappears, it doesn't matter if you're using this or not. Wherever the center of the screen is where you're going to fire, which is in the crosshair. But since you can't see it, still just wherever the center of the screen is where you're going to fire from. So the recoil doesn't actually affect how good or bad you fire. It's just a visual thing because it's nice to see the recoil. It's so fucking nice. And then we can even test it out with the zombies if I run over here. If my fucking sprinting will work. I gotta fucking mess with that a lot. But there we go, a bunch of zombies spawning. And then, like, it's just so much nicer. Oh, shit. Like, that is, like, it's just so much more enjoyable. It actually makes it a little difficult too at times. You're running around too much. It actually makes it difficult. And look, when I shoot from my side hip, you can see it recoiling, but my other hand doesn't move. I need to figure out how to attach the hand to it. Can't figure out how to attach the hand to it, but look at this little bitch over here running around by himself. Hey, asshole. Oh, I gotta reload. Gotta reload. I'm so glad I can do that. I mean, that means, hold up. What? Sorry, go ahead. Do whatever. Wait, hold on.
Did you take Emily?
No. Just leave it be. Just leave it be. Oh, man. But yeah, now that means I can actually adjust animations for every gun. For the shotgun, it could be like a nice hard kick. Dude, it's gonna look so fucking good. I love you. Shut up.
Take a shower.
Yeah, change it now. Change it now. Okay, so assault rifle A. Huh? Projects, props, weapons. Okay, man. Yeah. Love you. When? The fuck? Okay, so this for the root, which is at the handle. I can make a keyframe for literally everything. Come up here. Zoom in. So I know here's where it's at. So like right here, I'm going to keyframe so we have the defaults. A little bit further. So I want to... Oh, wait, before I do that, I'm going to keyframe there so we have defaults too. And then keyframe there. There we go. So move back. Like nice and difficult. And rotate. And here it should rotate back forward. What the hell? Why is my keyframe not working? Rotation. None of my fucking keyframes even worked. That's fucking out of the week. Why the hell didn't any of my keyframes work? Yeah, default right there. Rotation. Edit in sequencer. The hell's this? Yeah, no, we're not doing the sequencer thing. Huh. So the rotation's here. Yeah, you can't even see him. That's fucking crazy. Barrel root, keyframe. You can see a keyframe there. Which is great. Nice. kind of want to edit the rotation a little more, which will be the green one. It's just boom, there and gone. What the hell is wrong with this fucking thing, dude? Jesus. Toggle time snapping, toggle value snapping. No, fuck that. Okay. And that maybe, there we go, jeez. So that's for the rotation. And then the translation on the x-axis. It's just all one. Too damn fast. So this is 0. So 0 is the default value. Oh, it needs to go negative, okay. I like that. Looks freaking great. Okay, maybe it don't look good. hip fire does, but I need the hand to kind of go with it. Or less of the rotation, actually, is what we need. So rotation be less. Just need a little bit of rotation. I don't want a shit ton, just a wee little bit. Yeah, so it's mostly just a kick. It's not what I meant to pick up. At least the gun actually kicks. Holy shit, okay. Okay. So now that that's done, we need to go ahead and go to event graph. And I don't want to do much of the things like this. I controller pitch. And yaw. Okay, so pitch refers to the up and down. So we okay, so maybe we'll do a little bit of kicking up. So we need to pitch, but we're going to skip the yaw. I want it at the most minimal it can be. -0.02. So there's like a lot of variation between it, but they're still very low values. 0.1. 0.7. See how these values do. I'm trying to very lightly tweak it to make it add a little bit of jitteriness and a little bit of actual motion and kick to the gun without completely changing the game. Or without completely changing how the player sees it. Oh. It's not bad, but I think having the negative value is weird. Hold up. So instead of doing the negative value, why don't we have it as a positive value? Instead of removing, we can still have the variation. Definitely probably adjust these numbers because they're a pretty good decent away. 0.1 to 0.8 from 0.2 and 0.7 or 0.07, whatever. Yeah. There's an extra 0 in there now. I actually kind of like that, not gonna lie, but it's in the wrong value. I need it to all be negative values, because negative is technically up because it's the reverse of it. Can you, oh, come on, I clicked play. Like I really clicked it. Okay, there's very little recoil to it, so you can still pull down. There's a very slight amount of recoil to it. It just kind of drives me nuts that you can see that the hand is still sitting still and the arm is still sitting still, but I'm not reanimating the player. At least not right now. I'll probably spend a dedicated night to that. At least for the shooting animations. And there's like a slight pull up to it when you shoot. And I kind of like that. About freaking time, man. Ooh, camera glitch. But yeah. Oops. Oops. Let's see. I know I had some random hotkeys in here and everything. Yeah, there we go. M was to hurt the player. If I click play again, it'll actually load the big map, and I don't want to do that right now. Huh. That's pretty wicked. I love how Facebook doesn't even notify me that people tag me and stuff. Just was scrolling Facebook and seeing a post from 2 hours ago from my mother where she tagged me. And yet I didn't even know. How lovely. Man, should we ever add the rocket? Well, no, I can't even add the fucking rocket launcher because I can't figure out how to do explosive damage. I kind of should probably look that up real quick. Hold up. See if I can figure anything out. Explosive damage UA5. So I've seen this guy talk about it before. I'm watching YouTube. I'm gonna stop streaming now though. I'm gonna figure this out later.